Hi there everyone. I hope you're doing well. Guys, as you know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and especially for the kids when they have to spend half of their day in the school and most of their energy is consumed in physical activities, in sports, in learning. So it is extremely important that they have their breakfast very properly and they should have something of their choice. So today we have two amazing recipes and it is very easy, very simple that your kids are gonna love. These are the ingredients. We will make two different things with the same batter. The first thing that we are gonna make with the batter is the pancakes. Take a blender jug and put the 2 eggs in it. Now add 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of baking soda. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of oil and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now blend all the ingredients in the jug properly. Blend it for at least a minute. Heat a pan and grease it with a brush. Now pour the mixture in the pan as you can see in the video. Cook one side of the pancake on low to medium flame for a minute and then flip it over. This is how it looks. We can make more pancakes with the same batter. And this is the final look of our pancakes. Top it up with whipped cream, maple syrup, or some chocolate syrup. I'm sure your kids are gonna love this. Okay, now the second thing we are gonna make with this batter is the waffles. First of all, grease the waffle maker and then pour the batter in the waffle maker. Cover the lid of the waffle maker and let it cook for at least 5 to 7 minutes or until it is cooked. This is how it looks after being cooked. Guys, just a tip, just to make it much more healthier, you can add flax seeds or chia seeds for your kids in this batter as well. It will become more nutritious and more beneficial. You can drizzle some honey over it or you can put some chocolate sauce over it. Give this choice to your kids that what topping they want for themselves so that they feel that they are part of this plan and this wonderful activity. Guys, I hope you found my video very easy, and if you like my video, you need to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.